はい、こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about let's see, how to say let's see in Japanese language. Well, it's not so easy to translate into Japanese, but let me try. Okay, so the first one is when you use let's see, when you need some time to think. Yes, like, let me see, or let's see kind of situation. In that case, or this is a filler, okay? Yes, you can have some time to think, okay? Yes, alright. And then this is not no, yes. So in casual conversation, we say as a no, but this is not no, okay? This is just a filler, so some noise, okay? And the next one is misete. This one is like, let's see what you got, yes? So please show me, yes, that's misete, okay? And the number 3 is 確かめてみよう. It's a bit long. Can you see? Okay. So 確かめます. 確かめる means check, or so that's like, let's see if it's true or not, or let's see who is the tallest. For example, in that case, you want to check which one is correct and which one is wrong, or that kind of situation. In that case, 確かめてみよう. So 確かめて means let's check, and then みよう is like to see, yes, so to see which one is correct, or which one is true, or who is the tallest, who is the something. Okay, that's 確かめてみよう. Okay, and the number 4 is 様子を見ましょう. Okay, 様子 means situation. So 様子を見ましょう is let's see the situation. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how things goes. Yes, go. Okay. So in this case, you want to leave the situation for a while and then see what kind of result will come. So in that case, 様子を見ましょう. Alright? So in today's video, I explain 4 meaning of let's see, and then so let's see in English phrase let's see has several meanings, so that's why there are several ways to translate in Japanese. Number 1 is as a filler, and then number 2 is 見せて, please show me, let's see what you got, 見せて. Number 3, let's see which it's correct or not, 確かめてみよう, let's check. Yes. Number 4, let's see how it goes, 様子を見ましょう. Okay? See you next time. さよなら。またね。